Hello everyone, my name is David Richard from WeeklyTools. And in this video, today, we have an exciting product to showcase that will revolutionize your vehicle's battery troubles. Get ready to discover the power of the NOCO Boost Pro GB150, the ultimate jump starter that packs a punch. Welcome back to our channel. And today, we're diving into the world of portable jump starters. We all know how frustrating it can be to find yourself stranded with a dead battery, especially when you're in the middle of nowhere, but fear not. The NOCO Boost Pro GB150 is here to save the day. What sets the GB150 apart from other jump starters on the market? Well, let me tell you. First off, this bad boy boasts an impressive 4000 amps of peak power, which means it can jump start virtually any vehicle, from cars and trucks to boats, RVs, and even commercial equipment. No matter how big or small your engine is, the GB150 has got you covered. Now, let's see this powerhouse in action. As you can see, the GB150 features spark-proof technology, making it safe and easy to use. Just connect the clamps to your vehicle's battery terminals and you're good to go. No more relying on another vehicle or needing to flag down a stranger for a jump start. With the GB150, you're in control. Was amazed at how quickly the NOCO Boost Pro GB150 brought my dead battery back to life. I was stranded in the middle of nowhere, but within minutes, I was back on the road. This jump starter is a game changer. That's right, with its advanced lithium technology, the GB150 provides multiple jump starts on a single charge. Plus, it also functions as a portable power bank equipped with USB ports, allowing you to charge your smartphones, tablets, and other devices on the go. It's like having a reliable power source right in your glove compartment. Another fantastic feature of the GB150 is its rugged and compact design. It's built to withstand tough conditions, making it the perfect companion for outdoor adventures, road trips, and emergencies. And with its built-in LED flashlight, you'll never be left in the dark. So, whether you're an off-roading enthusiast, a boating enthusiast, or simply someone who wants peace of mind while on the road, the NOCO Boost Pro GB150 is a must-have. Its power, versatility, and reliability make it an essential tool for every vehicle owner. Recommended for gas engines up to 9.0 liters and diesel engines up to 7.0 liters for cars, boats, lawn mowers, and more. Mistake-proof and safe for anyone to use with spark-proof technology and reverse polarity protection. Safely jump-start a dead battery in seconds, up to 80 times on a single charge. In the box, GB150 Ultra-Safe Portable Lithium Car Battery Jump Starter Pack, Needle Nose Battery Clamps, XGC Male and Female Connectors, XGC Cable, Micro USB Charging Cable, Microfiber Storage Bag. User Guide, 1-year warranty, and designed in the US. Thank you for joining us today as we explored the incredible NOCO Boost Pro GB150. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell to stay up to date with the latest automotive innovations. Until next time, happy driving.